I'm your liver, the silent workaholic under your ribs, keeping your body running smoothly.
I clean your blood, digest food, and store energy. I'm your body's built-in detox pro.
Overload me with booze, viruses, or fatty food, I start to scar. Over time, that scarring is called cirrhosis. It starts when my cells go rogue. Early on, no symptoms. Later, weight loss, jaundice, and belly swelling.
Protect me. Get your hepatitis B shot. Eat healthy. Quit alcohol. Use clean needles and tattoo tools. Treat symptoms early.
I'm small but mighty. Care for me, and I'll care for you.
Liver cancer can be prevented. Get screened. Stay healthy.